2, 3, 4. Wow, did I get you? I'm not playing this, I'm playing it off a background music. I hope I will not get any copyright strike because of this. Well, I have no background of any music at all, no experience in playing any musical instrument. Well, that is the whole purpose of this instrument. It's called Populele. It's a smart ukulele that can pair out with any Android or iOS devices, and with its application, it will then light up the neck of this ukulele, showing indicator telling you where your finger should land, and therefore emit beautiful notes out of this instrument. So the whole purpose is to help people like me to pick up this instrument, and without further delay, let's check it out and see whether this baby will work. So let's talk about the hardware aspect of the ukulele. To begin with, I must say I really like the color choice. It's a very contrasty. You see bottom, it's a very dark brown, almost like a black. Body, the main body is light brown, like a yellow kind of brown, and the neck is it's a very orangey kind of brown. So all in all, it's very contrast. I really like the choice of color. The body is very well built as well. When you press on it, you don't hear any creaking sound. On the left, there's a micro USB charging port as well as a on-off switch. So this ukulele comes with this bag like this. It's very useful in protecting the ukulele. It also has some manuals and warranty. Unfortunately, those are in Chinese, so if you don't understand Chinese, then it's quite useless. It also comes with extra cloth for you to wipe your ukulele, as well as a extra string, and 3 more picks. So in all, I really like the hardware aspect of this ukulele. It's top class. So now let's go through its application and see how well it performs. Let me turn on the Populele apps, go into settings, Bluetooth connection. As you can see, it's already connected to the application. So there are customized patterns which you can customize on the neck of the ukulele, and of course there are the 2 options as well. We have choose, which you can use the tuner function to tune your ukulele. If you see the neck itself, it's telling you which string to pluck, so that's very helpful. Alright. Okay, let's tune it a little bit. So with that, you can tune all the strings. We have chords library showing you what are the chords itself. We have Dazzle. Dazzle is very helpful. Dazzle will turn the neck indicator into a histogram. Hello, hi. Hello. So this is very cool. If you use this in a public place, I think you will attract a lot of attention. Right? So that's very good. And of course, we can customize the patterns, customize the indicator based on your preference. Okay, let's clear it. So beside the choose and settings, we also have what we call game. Game it's actually helping you to learn this instrument. That includes a lot of videos in the apps. That's very helpful. Let me just play you one, and so you can see it for yourself.
Now we are going to learn left-hand techniques.
It's very good.
Now press the string down onto the fret and hold it tight.
Okay, so there's a lot of videos included in this application which will explain to you how to properly use the instrument, and also the terminology, the main names of the instrument itself, so that you can then be more knowledgeable and educated in playing the instrument. Okay, right. And so after preparation, you're going down the road with helping you to learn the individual chords. That's very helpful as well. And of course, then after learning through the chords which I went through, as you can see from the screen, I achieved 3 stars. And then finally, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is assisting you to play your very first song. So let me just try it. So this is overview showing you how the games is been run. So now the next is indicating, telling me where to press on C chord, which I press. And then of course you have F, and then C, and then back to F, C, and then of course the G, and then back to C.
Good job.
So it's really very encouraging, especially when you're pressing the right chords, and also this games element will encourage you to come back more frequently to practice on the ukulele. So I must say, for beginners like me, it's very helpful, and it's always very entertaining. Okay, let me go back to the application, and then so this game session will really help you to learn. But once you have practice enough and you do have enough skill, you can go to the song library. This is where you play the real actual song. So there's quite a number of song collection categorized into easy, normal, and hard. Over these 2 months of using this application, I see a lot of updates. There's more videos added into the application itself, and also more songs, especially the English songs. So it's really very good and very encouraging to see that the developer is keep on updating the software itself. So it's conclusion time. Now let me just go through the So it's conclusion time. Now I really like this. The hardware is good, the software is good, but more importantly, is this thing helping you or helping a guy like me who have no musical background in learning this instrument? It's overwhelmingly yes. The application design wise, it's really a lot of fun, and also the game element will encourage me to come back to practice on this instrument more and more, and the more I practice, the better I get. So for people who have no musical background or people who have no experience in ukulele, this is a sure buy. It's very good. In fact, even for people who have already a musical background, who already know to play ukulele, this also is a very good collection because the design wise is just very beautiful. Plus, it has this little additional function which definitely will attract attention, and is definitely there to impress people. So all in all, highly recommended. Oh yeah, also right now there's a huge discount by Gearbest. So they're having a flash sale. I bought this about 140, 150 US dollar. Currently they're having like a 50% off and selling at just 80 US dollar. So it's really a good deal. I will leave the purchase link at the description box below, so do check it out. First of all, I'd like to say a huge thank you for watching to the very end of this video. Really appreciated it. Huge shout out to you. If you want to see more videos like this where I review amazing and yet affordable product from China, please subscribe! And if you want to leverage on my expertise in helping you to buy those amazing gadgets and send it right to your doorstep, do check out my one-of-a-kind gadget subscription service called Gadget Doggo. And finally, I'd like to say a huge thank you to those people who had helped contributed to this channel financially via my Patreon platform. So this is Daniel signing out. Until next time, goodbye everybody!